what's the coolest thing? And
That's pretty cool.
40 years of RC10. I think I had this on last week or the week before, but
You do love it.
We've only got a couple left.
And you know, once they're gone,
they are gone.
They're gone.
They are absolutely GORN until associated release
in another 10 years, right? They'll probably do something for the 50th anniversary.
Oh, they probably should, but it's. I mean, I still haven't built mine, but it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. It's irrelevant.
I've got it there. I've got
love.
there, and the clear one with all the clear.
It's
plastics.
not just about what's out of the box, it's what's in the box.
We've only got like 3 or 4 of these left, so someone will come in last minute Christmas present, have no idea what they're buying, and buy one of these.
Yeah.
I like that.
And it's fantastic.
That's good for me. But
Anthony, look how excited Anthony's like, put my name on it, SO 3.0. That's Anthony Miller up in Queensland.
Miller. Oh, he doesn't count.
He's got himself an RS2. He's got an RS1. He's a real fanboy. He's got a lot of Orca Totem stuff. Yeah. He was down at the Bash.
Yeah, I know he was.
Yeah.
I actually met him there. I hadn't actually. I mean, I knew of him,
He's a huge fan of yours.
Yeah.
And next year
he needs to get out more. I don't have a lot to offer.
So Santa is bringing you an RC10.
I don't have any more cars, but I've got something else.
What are you talking about?
Aha!
This is unrehearsed. You're in no man. You're in no man. You're not allowed. You're not allowed back there. Marlon went back there once, and he just wasn't the same when he came out.
Marlon's never come back, has he? I did some research this morning. There's some Tamiya Riris that are coming that you probably don't know about. No.
Hornet Evo?
No, that's not a Riri. That's a new one.
Oh, that's a new one.
So that's already done. So all I did was bring pictures there and on my T-shirt.
Biggest Wiggus.
I
can't believe the following that car has.
That is another shipment, another production run is happening now.
Yep.
So that will probably maybe in the next one in January.
They have a cult following, don't they? The Big Wig.
Big Wig. The reason for the cult following was when these first came out, they were in the international class because they ran 7-cell packs. So it was the chassis was designed to accommodate that. I mean, to be honest, how fast they went back then is probably slower than a 21.5 now. But at the time we were going, oh wow,
Big Wig,
and they were
they tough?
Yeah, they were pretty good. Big ass.
Was it
yellow?
Was it hot shot gearboxes?
No, I don't think it was.
Okay, I don't know much about the Big Wig.
I don't remember. I've never actually had one. I used to worship them, and I had a hot shot at the time. But these were so cool, and there is a massive following for them. So they've been out of production for a while, but now they're coming back. Maybe they'll be in the next shipment in January or something with Hornet Evos. But given that we didn't know about it otherwise, I suspect not.
There you go. What else? What is that?
Other one, you can't see that under there. So I'll just slip it round there.
You just have to mind your tongue today.
I do. Originally known as the Willie's Wheeler.
Is it?
Yes.
Do you know who would love that?
Yes. I'm well aware of the connotations of.
I'm going to have to build one of them.
Yeah, we're going to have to build one of those in the memory of our mate, the great Willie Panda Chang.
Did he love that? He would have loved that thing.
He liked that because it was Willie.
It had Willie in it.
It's no longer called Willie's Wheeler. It's just called the Honda City Turbo.
Is it based? Looks like
it's a WR02 chassis, which is.
Is it a comical?
It's not a comical, but it's a similar sort of thing. I've got a WR02 chassis with the combi shell on it.
Okay.
So it's very, very similar, and basically it just wheelies everywhere.
Does it?
And there's nothing wrong with
that. There's nothing wrong with a bit of fun. You need fun in your ass.
No, and we need these, and I absolutely have to have one because I've never had one, and I've always loved them. So.
Is it a polycarbonate shell or hard plastic?
No, it's hard. It was hard plastic. I assume it will be again. That's the bit that I don't like because it means if you whatever you paint on it,
keep painting it.
You just paint it flat black and then just keep repriming it.
Repriming it as you go.
So, but that's to me that I've only just heard that. Yes, it was late last night when I saw
the roving reporter.
Yeah, I was checking out. I thought I've got nothing to talk about on the live tomorrow, and then this and the Big Wig popped up, and I went, yeah.
If you had been here at 7:30 this morning, there was plenty to talk about.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, but
anyway,
I wasn't here. So
what's that, buddy? Yes, there was water everywhere. Yes, mate, there was.
Yeah.
He nearly floated away.
Did he?
Yep, nearly did. I caught him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He was floating up the steps.
Yeah, that's right. No, that is fantastic. Well, thank
Honda
you
City
for doing
Turbo.
your groundwork.
Biggest Wiggers, which is from the Monty Python film.
Is it?
Biggest Wig? No.
Well,
I made that bit up.
I'll go. Yeah, I think you should have the Big Wig.
Yep.
And I'll do the turbo.
We'll see. But I definitely have.
Do you know how many hours my comical is done? I think it's done probably, honestly, like 3 or 4 on-track hours, and that's a lot for any RC car.
Yeah.
And it's provided a lot of fun. A lot of fun.
I know I gave my comical hot shot to my nephew Charlie, who's like